Wow. Yeah, hello amazing customers. We are working in Kumasi, Ejisu, and I'm here today to give you updates. Yeah, hello amazing customers. As you are watching me right now, kindly subscribe to my YouTube channels and like this video and share to your families and friends. You see, you understand me? Just look at how a Takwa share stones looking so nice and beautiful. You see, I always say that a natural stones is a beautiful thing. All will depend of the one that will fix the thing on the wall. You know, the installer is the matter. You understand me? That be why you have to take your time and give your job to the right person so that he do a very beautiful design for you on how you dey see am right now. You see, so nice and beautiful. Wow, you see. As they watch me right, I want to correct this thing right now. You see, like this copy right now, the mess you can make am big. You see, this one I go inside. It's not going to remain like this. They will make am bigger again so that it look more beautiful and more attractive. As you can see, you see, just look at how we take our time and do a very neat and beautiful design for this customer. As you can see, you see, the name is Steven Stone Design. Our service is available across the country. You see, just look at us, just look at where we are staying, just look at where we are working. You see, it be some bush be inside, but where the money dey we follow. You see, it doesn't matter you are in the village or in Accra. Just give us a call, you come and do a very beautiful design for you as you dey see am right now. Yeah, so as you dey watch me right now, I'm the one that share that jet to the customer. So boss, this one no, you don't need to miss the stones on the pillars. No, let's put the grey one to the top and put the red one for top. After then at the beam, no, this beam, no, you make them all red. You see, and the top they make them grey to the top and put some red before top. So at the end of the day, it's going to look so unique and so beautiful. You understand me? We are on the installation process. Once you have done, you understand what I'm saying. You see, so that if somebody see this picture and I know so this picture from Kumasi Ejisu direct, so that your building is not going to be similar to people like that. You understand me? To people like that. You see, you make them unique. Yeah, so these are the stones that you are using. You see, you see. So as for the stone, you separate them. You separate. You are separate the red one from the gray one, as you can see. You see. Wow. You see, if you are looking for a window designer, I get a right person for you. You understand me? Just look at your work, so nice and beautiful. So nice and beautiful. I mean, my number no.
Number.
Yeah, okay.
My number.
Yeah, your number.
0242
71 9280.
Everywhere you go.
Everywhere you go, move. Every channel with that. Yeah. You see, so nice and beautiful, as you can see. So whatever it is, just give us a call. Our service is available across the country. Say one. But so just know. I will sweep if so please make water for top. No, say man. Like you that place you make it not do again. And make it not do again. You make go that place no. Go the place where you did down so that make it flash. So if you flash it now, you know what you did, John Kasa. Unless you're the egg pondo. Takpa ole doma. La prosper. La today money I put start work this morning. I put this work this morning. I don't deal, but the way put this work this morning now. But this would there's a some bit down, so it's spoil already. It will spoil. The video will be to some friend. Yeah, the best, bro. You see, that be how the way go. You see, you have to put your stone one after the other and put the mortar and everything nice one. You see, whatever it is, give us a call. Give us a call. You see, here is a nice location. Very nice location. Nice location. My brother, if you like, yeah, let go be there for 4,000 Ghana cedis. So, alright, let go be there for 4,000 Ghana cedis. So, Be true. Kumasi out there, the eye open. They're gonna sell them for 4,000 Ghana cedis. Oh, the best show one in Che. Oh no, per billions of cities or per book Gavino, the man of crash. She now. Nego the best. Nti bia obia to san frɛ o che ase adwuma pam ko eye e bia obia to san frɛ si ma ba we adwuma pam o fe bye bye.